my name's Alex and today I'm going to be guiding you through all the information you need to safely use a cycling helmet. For our guide today, we'll be using Rehook Resilience, a high comfort, size adjustable safety helmet designed for all cyclists. In this video, I'll be showing you how to properly wear and look after your helmet. Rehook Resilience uses a quick release buckle that can be used to take on and off your helmet with ease. To tighten the chin strap, hold the buckle with one hand and pull the excess strap through. To tighten the rear strap, pull the excess from the rear of the strap. Hold the helmet with one hand, with the other hand hold the strap where they pass under your chin. Then pull the strap from side to side to level the length of all straps. And that's how you adjust your straps. When you're wearing your bike helmet, it must sit firmly and level on your head without rolling forwards or backwards. It shouldn't be possible to remove the helmet without unbuckling it first. To check you have adjusted the helmet correctly, when it is fastened, move your mouth, open and closed, and you should be able to feel the straps pull on your chin. You can also attempt to pull the helmet off from the front or the rear. If it comes off, you need to tighten the tension strap. Adjust the sizing around the head by turning the adjustable ratchet, fitting clockwise to tighten and anti-clockwise to loosen. Make sure to check the adjustments each time before riding. The visor attaches to your helmet via two connection points on either side of the front. To disconnect and reconnect the visor, simply pull or push the rounded balls in the corresponding slots one at a time and they will pop in or out. Before using your lights for the first time, make sure you remove the plastic tag at the top of the device to enable the batteries. To turn on the lights on the back of your helmet, simply press down the button in the middle of the reflector to switch between the modes. Starting from off, 1 will set the light to rapidly flash, 2 presses will set the light to flash steadily, and 3 will set the light to solid. If you need to change the battery in your light, simply push the triangular red reflector out from the inside and unscrew the casing. When you're not using your cycling helmet, be sure to keep it in a safe place. Rehook Resilience comes with a reusable storage bag that can be used to help keep it clean and dry. Exposing your helmet to extreme temperatures or solvents such as spray paint may ruin the structural integrity of the helmet and make it unsafe to wear. When washing the helmet, use warm water and soap, letting it air dry properly so that the foam does not absorb the water. If your helmet is ever damaged, do not attempt to repair it, simply replace it. Now that you properly know how to adjust and use your cycling helmet, you're ready to head out on your bike. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe and check out our other how-to videos. You can purchase a Rehook Resilience at www.rehook.bike. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below.